Hey there, I'm Anna from For Real. Is your phone showing a blacklisted IMEI or a bad ESN? Frustrating, isn't it? You might have stumbled across a myriad of so-called solutions, software services promising to fix this in no time. But let's be honest, most of these methods either don't work or cost a pretty penny. But don't stress. What if I told you that we've cracked the code, and we're here to share with you a surefire, safer, free alternative that works for all Apple and Android phones, including your Samsung devices. Stick around as we dive deeper and get your device up and running again. Quick heads up, guys. This guide is designed for those who genuinely own their device but have just misplaced their access details. Please, let's keep it above board and don't use this information to tamper with stolen devices. Let's respect the law and the rights of others. Our content follows YouTube's rules and community standards. All right, now that we've got that clear, let's get started. So, there are a few options you've probably come across in your quest to clear that bad ESN. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, and ESN Doctor are some names that might sound familiar. And guess what? They're all reliable sources that can help you. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app is a stellar option. It's free, ultra-modern, and super quick. It's like having an unlocking assistant in your pocket. Then there's Safe Unlocks. For just $1, they have a long track record of providing great service. And if your issue specifically relates to an IMEI blacklist, ESN Doctor specializes in this area. But here's the deal. Although these services are the best on the market, they're merely tools. The secret sauce lies in how effectively we use them. Stick with me as we jump in and follow a step-by-step guide on how to use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant to remove that nagging blacklist from your device. Ready? Let's get this sorted. Okay, kick things off by opening your browser on either your phone or computer and type in unlockhere.com. This is your destination to remove that pesky blacklist on your IMEI. You'll be greeted by Nifty, the AI tool whipped up by the Unlock Here team. Now scroll down a bit and pick the option that suits your needs. In this case, we're going for Fix IMEI Blacklist. From here, it's just a few simple steps on the app. Start by selecting your device brand. Don't worry, all major and even some medium-sized brands are compatible with the app. Selected yours? Great. Hit that Next button. Next up, you'll need to input your IMEI or serial number. If you're not sure how to find it, don't sweat it. There's a tutorial within the app to guide you. Or go into your device's dial and punch in *#06 $. This will pop up all your device's info, including the IMEI number. Now, to wrap up your application, you'll need to plug in your name and email address. And of course, make sure you read and comply with the terms and conditions of the app. If anything's unclear, their resources section is a treasure trove of info. Once you've submitted your application successfully, keep an eye on your inbox. You'll receive an email with your unlock details. Usually, it takes around 5 to 15 minutes, but remember to check in your spam or promotions folder too. To confirm your order, copy the verification code in the email, then click on Confirm My Order. Paste your code, complete the CAPTCHA, and finalize by hitting Validate Info and Start Unlock. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. If any issues arise, rest assured that you can chat with live support on the site at any time. But we're not finished quite yet, so stay tuned. Just to let you know, these unlocking services mainly operate in first-world countries. So if you're finding it tough to access them, or if you are a bit hesitant, don't worry, we've got you covered. Every week we offer 250 free unlocks for our loyal video watchers. Super easy to get in on this. Simply like this video, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment with your phone model, your IMEI, and your country. As soon as you've done these steps, you're automatically in the running. Remember, your comment is your entry ticket, so make sure it includes all the required details. Good luck! Alright guys, let's get into some alternative ways to knock that IMEI blacklist off your device. First off, it might sound obvious, but have you tried reaching out to your carrier? They're often your first port of call and can give you the most effective solutions tailored to your situation. Now here's an important one: proof of ownership. To get that blacklist lifted, you need to show that the device is legitimately yours. This could be a receipt, contract, or any other document tied to your device. If you've got it, flaunt it. Did your device go on a little adventure without you and get reported lost or stolen? Well, if you've now got it back, let your carrier know the good news. They could potentially remove it from the naughty list. And lastly, if you feel your device has been unfairly blacklisted and the carrier is not playing ball, you might consider getting a legal eagle involved. Heads up though, this should be your last resort because it could get costly and time-consuming. Remember, the end goal is to get you back up and running. So explore these options and see what works best for you. Hey, it's been great having you here. If these tricks worked for you, or if you've got any other questions, don't be shy, drop us a comment below. We're always excited to hear from you. Just a quick reminder, these unlock services are primarily for first world countries. If you're finding it tricky to access them, or if you prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our video watchers. All you have to clinch this offer is to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment with your phone model, IMEI, and your country. As soon as you've done that, you're automatically in the running. So don't forget, your comment is your ticket. Before you take off, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future content. There's plenty more where this came from. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.